I want to build this app, her dream app, before we move to Vietnam. Today is the 17th of August. The 29th of August, I am with my wife moving from Sweden, where we live right now, all the way to Vietnam. We're taking the step to become digital nomads. In these 12 days, I don't only have to build the app. We have so many different practical things that we have to finish before we can actually go. In the end of this, the project will be released in public, and even you guys can also use the app. I'll let my wife tell more about the app itself. Okay, so what is a dream app? What is your dream app?
I don't have a dream app. It's never been a dream to get an app. Just happy that I will have it. That's all. It's never been a dream. No, I don't have a dream app. Maybe like farm app where you can farm something. That's fun.
Okay, so this is devastating.
Lawn Cards is a language learning app that combines old school flashcards and new school Chinese videos.
Does the name Long Cards have any meaning?
The app is named Lawn Cards because the card has a video which makes the card lawn. Finito.
Does the name have any other meaning?
Oh, yeah. I should forget about this. The name does have the second meaning because my Chinese speaking project is called Long. In Chinese, it means dragon.
When did you get the idea of Long Cards?
I got the idea of lawn cards when I was sick and tired of doing flashcards myself. To make them, I would spend hours and hours per week. In the desperation and the realization that my husband makes apps, I got an idea of lawn cards.
Okay, let me just address it. Yes, some of you have probably noticed this interview was not done in Denmark. The files got corrupt. I know, classical YouTube. We redid the interview, many of the same questions, luckily not the same reactions, so still all authentic. Back to the video.
I want the design of the app to be easy to use, simple, and fun.
If your app had a theme song, what would it be?
Pitbull Fireball, because Dragon Fire, you know.
Okay, I just went to my local park here because honestly there's way too many people back in the house. So I ended up skipping a day. I got a few hours of work done on the app, but not enough to actually update you guys on anything. Today on the other hand, I did manage to do a whole lot. Right now it's like 9 in the evening, so a full day has passed again. She wants a fun, modern and simple app. That's vague, but in the design world that's also actually very precise. Already just by knowing that it's fun means that you want some few quirks, you want some more bright colors, you want more like entertaining icons. I've just taken the liberty to already design a login and welcome flow, like a question. So whenever you are a new user coming into the app, you get this question of how many words you already know in Chinese. That means that it becomes easier for us to put you in the right spot and recommend you the right words to learn. Here's the home screen. In the absolute top is what is recommended by Lily, aka my wife. This is why the space competition, see that would be a cool app. No, this is where the spaced repetition comes into play. If you've learned a new word today, then you're going to see it again tomorrow, and then in 3 days, etc. So the whole idea is that if you understand the word, then you have longer and longer time in between you seeing it. So whenever you have this review words as a task for today, that literally means that you have words that you've had in the past that you today have to review and see again. Stick with me here, there's 3 things you need to remember. Whenever you want to learn a new word in this spaced repetition method, the first thing you do is that you see it for the absolute first time. You see a video where you hear it pronounced, and you also see the characters. There's a bit of a language barrier in the design process, which is honestly just fun. So as you can see right here, what I've done is that you can see the character, you can hear the audio, and I've also given the user the opportunity to replay it in slow motion, replay it just once, or replay it 4 times. Just really to hear that word a few extra times. I think that's going to be very important. The next step is going to be not seeing the character and then selecting the right character to the audio, to the video that you see. And the third one is where you only have the audio and you have to select the correct character. This means you don't get to see someone actually pronouncing the word, and it's a different type of memory, a different type of learning that you're doing. That's why we have these 3 different ones. That's everything you need to understand about like meeting a word for the first time. So we have now learned, for example, 5 new words. Okay, I don't know if my microphone is picking this up because it's a close microphone, but I'm sitting alone in the park right now and there's someone screaming. Why did everything just suddenly become really creepy? Okay, against my better judgment, I'm gonna finish this design right now and then move on. Okay, so that's the two things you can do. You can learn new words and you can review other words. I of course made a little library that you can go and search and then add it to your own deck. This might actually be a premium feature because it's gonna be quite expensive to have all these videos laying on the server, and since the app is gonna be a paid app, that means that in the next 10 days now, I have to make an app that is worthy of receiving payment. To me, that means something, because that means that my work has to be of high enough quality for someone else to be willing to pay for it. That is the design for now, and I really hope that this is simple and fun. It's very easy to add fun into it when you've made it this simple for now, and it's way easier for me to start coding it, because then you can always add a fun little pop-up to someone going, yay. For the next chapter here, I have a bit of a secret I haven't been telling you. Think of it as a secret weapon. Okay, Jesus Christ, I might need a secret weapon. How is it still screaming? It's been like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. Let's just say I'm not starting building this app from scratch, and no, I haven't coded a single line on the app yet. I really hope this actually been recording and that I'm framed correctly. Yeah, you see these in every single video because I'm basically addicted to them. Ramløser, if you are sponsoring young YouTubers, let me know, because I could be a customer. Oh, I mean, I could be a partner. I'm making a YouTube video. This is different, Joachim. I am a customer. I want to be a partner.